everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've been able to do a video. At the end of the video I will tell you all what's been going on, where I've been. But today we are going to get into this palette right here. This is an indie brand called Wicked Sisters. I don't know too much about their brand. I thought I found out about this brand from my friend Erica, who does lots of tutorials and lots of unboxings on her TikTok and on her Instagram. I will link Cosmetic Queen below for you guys to go check her out. But let's just dive into this palette. Okay, so this is Wicked Sisters Cosmetics. I have another palette I bought from them too, but I got this palette because once it's the book from Hocus Pocus. I mean, look. 15 color eyeshadow palette. There's a couple of mattes. I mean, there's a couple of shimmers, mostly mattes, and 2 fun glitters. This could be fun for any occasion, especially Halloween. I love Halloween so much. I do anything for Halloween, so I'm going to do a quick look with this and then I will update you guys on everything that's been going on in my life. Okay, so look how fun. It's too much fun. Okay, so I think the first color I'm going to go in is in the color Cottage. Oh, I like that it has a mirror too. Probably going with this color first. Okay, I just had to make sure and had eyeshadow primer on. So I'm going to take the color Cottage and we're just going to sweep this color all over the lid. Let me pull you guys in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been able to come on here and create a video. I don't have the best news, but I'm working through it. I'm working through everything and just every day just showing up because that's all we can do. Okay. The next color I'm gonna go in with is, I think, since my shirt is Halloween themed shirt, I love everything Halloween. I got these shirts from the Halloween t-shirt company. I will also link them below. If they're Instagram, go check them out. Small business, go follow them, support them. They have the cutest Halloween shirts and they're very inexpensive and very comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna go in the color Salem. I think it's this orange color here. I'm going to put that in my kind of crease color. Oh, it's showing up really nice on the camera. And if you put more of a base underneath or even like a white underneath, I'm sure these shadows would pop like a lot more. But we're just doing a quick look today. Okay, so I think the next color I'm going to go in is Wicked Sisters. It's just like this kind of purple, light purple color. It's more like light purple, almost magenta color. And I'm going to go right next to the orange with it. And I'm going to take the same BH Cosmetics brush and apply that. Okay, so that's the orange and the purple. I did have to apply a lot in order to get it to show up, but it's showing up. Mattes are just really powdery. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in the color Binks next. It's the shimmery black, and I'm going to pop it in the corners. I'll take a fluffy brush to do that. Okay, so this is what we're working with so far. So far, they're kind of pigmented. I think you still have to apply quite a bit of product in order for it to show up, but that's okay. I do like how this look is coming out. I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to take the color Candle, which is this really pretty pressed glitter, and I'm going to just pop a little bit on top of the purple. I'm going to use my finger to do that. Oh. You only need a little bit. Oh wow, and like when you stick the glitter on. Like that's it, you don't need to. It's just a fun little way far away from Halloween. Just a fun little look. Yeah, it's not coming off my wrist. Unless you like scrape it off. So I'm going to come off camera, finish up this look, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, my look is complete. I finished it off with some lashes and some blush. Oh, I need a lippy. And again, this is the palette I used. I love this palette so much. It's such a cute palette, the whole concept of it. It's like spooky vibes. They're Wicked Sisters, they're an indie brand. Go and support them. I will put everything in my links below. They always have codes too. Like you can go get, this palette was not expensive at all. It was such a cute palette. And I have another palette, I'll do a palette review. And I have another indie brand that I bought. Because I want to try more indie brands now. Instead of always supporting all the big people and all the big people, whatever. We have to support the indie brands too because they need our support as well. So my look is completed. I absolutely love this little palette, love this little indie brand. They're just trying to make it in the world. The world really needs support right now. Especially me, because now I'm going to tell you guys where I've been and what the heck has been going on. I don't even know how to tell you this without me breaking down, because I probably will. In September, one of the best people in my life passed away. My dad passed away. It's been extremely hard. I'm not going to go into whole details about everything because I did a video on that and I took it down because it was just too much. But my dad was one of the most wonderful people in this world. I miss him so much. I miss him every day. It's been very, very hard. I don't know what else to say, but if any of you have experienced loss, what have you been doing to help you cope? I swear, it's like a roller coaster. Every day is a different emotion. Every day is a different feeling. I just did my makeup and now it's running all over my face. So that's why I haven't been able to create a video. I haven't been able to do anything. It's been hard. I need to find support, more support. I need to get back into YouTube because I enjoy doing this. I do, and I want to recreate my channel and rebrand my channel, and I want to do more like a business side of YouTube, or a business aspect, because I want to open my own small business soon, but like I can only do so much because of how I'm feeling, and every day, like I said, every day is a different emotion, every day is a different feeling. Again, it's been very, 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 very difficult, very, very hard. I miss him, I love him so much, and it's just not fair that you have to lose one of the best people in your lives. It's really, really strange without him. I've experienced family members that passed away before, but this, I don't know what to compare this to, except the only thing I can compare it to is when I lost one of my birds. My birds are like my children. And in the first video I made, I had Little Bird with me, but he's in his cage right now. He was so comforting. He's so sweet. And my dad loved the birds too, so maybe Big Bird and Dad are together. I know they're together. But one day at a time. One day at a time, that's all I can do. That's all I am doing. That's all like I said, that's all I can do. But that, again, that's why I haven't been able to make a video or come on here. But I want to come back, and I lost some subscribers, but that just happens because that's just how YouTube is. But yeah, that's what's been going on in my life, and we're still working from home. I love working from home. I still work at the salon, the nail salon. I have a really good boss, my two good bosses there, and a good team that I work with. My husband's been great. My mom, I've been there for her so much that I can. My brother too. I have a brother. I don't know, again, I'm rambling, one day at a time. But anyways, let's just come to the end of this video. So what I always would say is, before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. And every day is a new day, but again. So that's it for now, everybody. I will see you guys later. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos for the YouTube algorithm, because I want to be in there too, and I just want to keep growing this channel. Alright, everybody. Bye.